Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Psychic Tarot Oracle deck by John Holland. It is a 65 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House, and it is retailing for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. The 65 beautifully illustrated cards in this deck will create a powerful bridge between your psychic abilities and the ancient knowledge and meanings of the tarot, and will help you develop intuitive insights about all areas of your life, including love and relationships, business matters, and even career changes. This fascinating deck will work for you whether you're a novice or are already in tune with your psychic abilities. In the accompanying guidebook, psychic medium John Holland imparts techniques that he's practiced himself and taught in his workshops relating to colors, symbology, shapes, words, card spreads, divination, numerology, energy centers, imagination, and more. By using the cards, you will be able to incorporate John's techniques when you do a tarot reading for yourself or others. So let's get into it. This has been highly requested. This and the, I believe, Psychic Love Tarot. I think that's what it is. Oh, cute. Love it. I love little surprises like that. So before we get into the deck, I just kind of want to take a peek real fast at how this is set up. All right, so yay, we've got a table of contents. All right, so getting started, card spreads, psychic development, color interpretation, numerological meanings, and symbols and images. Awesome. And then it does look like they are grouped in specific ways. So we have a major arcana, we have a minor, so we have a physical with the red border, emotions with a green border, and mental with indigo, and spirit with violet. Then we have chakra cards. Awesome. Okay, so real fast, I just want to see, okay, so it does recommend to read the entire guidebook. Let's see. Ask a question, lay the cards. The purpose of the Psychic Tarot Oracle deck is to create positive experiences, not to reflect or heighten negative meanings. Rather, its aim is to give you guidance so you can gain a look ahead and make the proper changes that will lead to a beneficial outcome for your highest good. So yeah, no reverse card meanings. And then we have some spreads. So we have single, 3 card, 5 card, yearly forecast. Ooh, that's awesome. And then it goes into all of the information that we talked about in the table of contents, and then now with the cards. All right, so let's get into it. I'm excited about this one because of the way that it's set up. There we go. Ooh, that back is really cool. I love all of the interconnectedness of those circles. All right, it is a gloss. Let's go. The borders already do not like bug me or anything. I know some people just really don't like borders, so I always mention it. I like that we have like a different style to it with the different colors here. I like that. I know this deck has been out for quite some time. The cardstock is your Hay House cardstock, the glossy kind. It's nice, it's flexible. It'll probably shuffle just fine. So it looks like it is set up like the Tarot Major Arcana with different names, which is awesome. So this might be a good starting point for you guys that are trying to learn tarot but are getting a little confused. So maybe this structure might help you. So this is an oracle deck. It is not a tarot deck because it has its own structure. Oh my goodness, I used to have a dog that looked exactly like that. This is very Lord of the Rings for me right here, and I'm all about that. They're kind of sticking a little bit because of the gloss. Ooh, that's really cool. Why does he look like Sean Connery in Thor? I always have like, I have to bring it back to pop culture. I don't know why. I do apologize. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a lotus. Hmm. That's really cool. I like this representation. That's really fun and different. The key outline on him, or is that the lock? That's the lock. Or the where you insert the key. Brain work. That's very interesting. Oh, I love that. Hmm. It's very cool, the similarities between the Major Arcana Tarot and this. Like, this is really interesting. The different representations. This reminds me of the Akashic Tarot in a way, because it kind of has a similar setup. All right. Love it. I feel like the imagery is very easy to interpret. Huh. I can't wait to get into the guidebook. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, so are they going to stop at 9 then? Very pretty. You know, at first I was like, oh, they picked green for the emotional. You would think it would be blue, but it makes sense if you're combining the chakras in the deck, because green is the heart chakra. I love that. Yeah, very easy imagery to interpret. Picking up on some intuitive hits here. Loving this, the sacred spiral of that shell there. Yeah, I'm really enjoying how easy it is to kind of read. Yeah, it looks like they're going up to 9. Okay. Oh, that was a little jarring. Her belt looks like a heart. I like that. Looks almost like she has wings too. I feel like we're walking into Mordor. In a good way, I guess. Like, again, pop culture reference. It's just how I see the world. Oh, that's a really cool representation. Reminds me of Indiana Jones. Or that one scene in Lord of the Rings. Oh, that's really cool. Ooh. Shooting star. Okay, then we got some chakra cards. So, I mean, you could essentially use these cards separately too. Or if you're doing a meditation, you can pull one of these cards to focus on a specific chakra. All right, so let's see how they shuffle. I'm sure just fine. I actually like this cardstock. But again, you know, I'm not really picky. As long as I can shuffle it and work with it and it's not going to fall apart in my hands, we're good. But I mention it for your guys' benefit because, again, everybody has their preferences. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Yeah, I don't have an issue with how it shuffles at all. All right, we're going to read for, ooh, the Stand Your Ground. All right. Okay. Stand your ground. This card comes at a time when you're being tested and challenged. There may be fierce competition and potential rivals surrounding you in your personal or business life, but know that you have the strength and inner courage to stand your ground, no matter how hard or formidable things may appear. Don't surrender or give up the control you have. Be brave and stay true to your core life values and belief system, which are your best allies and will help you move forward. It's important to remain clear and focused, for you may have to stand alone and defend your convictions to the end. Maintain your health and stay strong so that you have an ample supply of energy to endure anything, as this could be a long and arduous yet ultimately hard-won victory. All right, I'm really liking this. I really like the structure, that it's similar to just your regular tarot deck. I love that we've got a whole bunch of different information in here to guide you along the way. Look at that. Awesome. We've got a bunch of spreads. So if you're having a hard time with learning tarot's structure, because it can be daunting, especially with the court cards and all of this, this might be a good deck to start out with because it's very, very similar, and it can act as kind of like a gateway into regular tarot, with all of the information that's just in the guidebook alone. I really like the quality of it. Again, I don't have a complaint when it comes to Hay House quality with their older decks. This has been around for a while. The newer type papery type cardstock is not exactly my cup of tea, but I can work with it just fine. But I really like how it's set up and laid out. I really like the imagery. I feel like as a beginner, you can literally interpret this quite easily and efficiently, especially with the keywords down there at the bottom. You can use this as a daily pull. You can use this for meditation. I love the addition of the chakra cards. You can use that in junction with the deck, or you can use them separately as you see fit. So yeah, like I really honestly don't have a lot of complaints. There was some diversity in here. I would love to see a lot more. Just, you know, I always have to say that because that's, again, how I feel. But again, like I said, I know this deck has been around for a while. So there's that. But now I would love to know how you guys feel about this deck, if it's something that you're interested in, or if it's something that you already own, if you use it. Like I said, it is an oracle deck, but you can kind of use it to help you learn along the way with regular tarot. So I would be very interested to know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section. I'm going to work with this and see what I pick up with it and what I learned from it. And now I really want to get the Psychic Love Tarot, I believe that's what it's called, and compare the two and see how they are different or the same or etc. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And as always, in the description box, I will have the links that are legitimate links for you to purchase this deck should you want to. I am an Amazon affiliate. And I also have my link tree in the description box as well, where you can find me on all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.